John with Hillbilly Wizard here to show you this K30 frame. We've got it rolling chassis here, Dana 60 front, Yukon hardcore lockouts. Give a quick walk around, got the steering box. Fully rebuilt GM Dana 60 front. Got your 4L80E transmission. Drive shafts mated up. Fully rebuilt NP205 ready to go. GM 14 bolt out back. Got the new wheels, all new U-bolts, all new springs, all new bushings. Brand new B&W hitch on there. This frame is really set up nicely. Got your 4L80E with all the controller equipment on there, so it is ready to plug in. And again, up front there. Really came out nice.